The reason asbestos is no longer used is because of trial lawyers, tobacco, defective products, baby seats in cars, cars burning and exploding, steering defects, sudden acceleration. Are they going to change it if they're not forced to? The government isn't stepping in. The government steps in when the trial lawyers have caused enough of an outcry to make the change. And we have the best system of justice in the world. There are jury systems in other countries, but none of them have the power where the average citizen can go in and right wrong. People from all walks of life get to hear what has happened to this person, and they can right the wrong. They can cure it. What I do every day of my life is I represent brain injury survivors. I'm proud to fight for them, and I'm blessed that I was given the talent to do it. My name is Stephen Smith, and I'm a trial lawyer.